Hi guys, I have a Ducati 848. I just bought recently this bike and I do some maintenance, and this video I will install a steering damper, a steering stabilizer. This damper what you can get also from eBay or from Aliexpress in different colors. It's around 70 bucks, but you need the whole set. Yeah, just like this. This is the picture what I ordered from AliExpress. Like I said, around 70 bucks, but you need also a screw washer. This is not in the set. And you need also some glue, and you need also another screw. Yeah, this is in the set, but you need another screw around 2-3 centimeter long. The diameter has to be the same, but yeah, the whole screw is not the same. So actually the top of the top part is not the same. Yeah, it's not looking the best, but I found this one in the garage, that's why. Okay, so first of all you have to remove the key guard. It has 2 screws in it. Those are just a little bit the different screws. A Lankey, what you need also to remove. And these screws has actually 2 parts. You have a bottom part in it. Yeah, it's actually stuck in it. And those are the bottom part. Excuse me, the top part. And the bottom part, if you are just like me, might be you have a little problem. That's the bottom part is actually stuck in the chassis. This is just a secure cable. You need to remove this from the key guard. After that, you need just a normal screw plier, and with the screw plier you are able to remove the 2 parts, the 2 screws actually. Yeah, this one. I already did the right one, and the left one, it's already loosened just with my hand, and you can see if I remove this, it's already the job done, the first part. So another subject, if you're curious what is all about this set, just like me, this part also, I found a picture on the internet, actually a bunch of pictures, and as you can see, for different bikes you can screw all together these 2 parts. Actually, that's it. So I just did the second step. Those 2 black washers are in the same size, you can find them in the set, and also the same size has the old screw. Yeah, just like that. And you have to get some maybe silicone glue, or just a normal glue, or Loctite, or something else what you can find in the garage, and you have to lock them down temporarily. So actually, yeah, this two screw goes into this hole, but the key card came on the top, so you cannot hold it with your finger or something else. You have to do this, and just temporarily. And before you screw them down, you have to add this piece, what you can find also in the set. Yeah, this V-shape piece facing with this side on the top, and yeah, you can go. I just forgot to mention it that you have to use also a Loctite, green, red, or whatever, what if you want. I installed also this piece, and this is actually the next one. And as you can see, the 2 holes, it's not a reflection of the other hole, so you have to install like I did. And this piece, as you can see, is also at the center position. Another important step, pull this piece onto the steering stabilizer, and after that actually you have 2 possibilities. You can do this as you like it. get the steering damper, and actually the tank, whole steering damper can be horizontal or in the vertical position. After that, you can tighten the screw down. I will use this screw for this hole. Actually, you have to use also a screw in this size like mine. On the back will came two washers in this order. The first one and the second one, this plastic one, I will use because I don't want to scratch this paint. And on this particular one, you have to use, very important to use Loctite. Another little thing, actually, you have to place this part on the stabilizer, that this line has to line up with the stabilizer. Like so, this is looks like this. We're almost finished. Don't forget to use Loctite on the screw. This thing looks like this under it, and you will also place, as you can see, under the screw. Like I said, mine is horizontal placed. Now it's time for the last screw and the last washer, as you can see, and you have actually also two choices. I will use the external hole and put this washer for the first, and after that the screw, actually use Loctite again. So, and we are done. Looks beautiful. Before the last step, actually I torqued down those two also. Here you can adjust the stabilizer here on the top. Mine is actually on the middle position. I think it's the best. And if you did everything right, you have a bunch of blades between the motorcycle and between the stabilizer, just like mine, as you can see. So I hope this was helpful for you, and yeah, I'm sorry for my bad English, and have a great day. Enjoy your bike.